Hello, I'm Mersada Kaidarova, and this is my reflection on the academic English course. To begin, I would like to tell you about my improvement during this course. After the beginning of my study at Nazarbayev University, the biggest struggle and challenge was writing for academic purposes. Basically, my English is not bad. I can easily understand and express myself in terms of everyday life or my work. When it comes to academic writing, I lose all the vocabulary and it becomes difficult to generate my ideas. Now, I guess it is a kind of psychological fear. This course was beneficial in terms of improving my writing, reading comprehension of scientific articles. First, I would like to tell you about common mistakes and weak points I have. There are APA style, coherence, and sometimes lack of vocabulary. Also, I will share some useful vocabulary sources and tools which help me to enhance somehow the level of my English. Also, my mistakes are APA format style, which is the documentation of sources that was entirely new for me, as in my previous study I never used that. Common mistakes were as follows. Incorrect text citations, in-text citations, sometimes in-text citations didn't match the reference list, or sometimes I forgot to mention the source. Soon I learned, while working on my papers, I immediately add all the sources into the special paper or highlight the sources in Google Drive while citing any scholars. Incorrect quotations. I'm confused about where to put the page numbers, if it's in the end or in the bracket, but I really work on this now. The easiest way was to paraphrase the quotation. Also, my mistakes were punctuation marks. It seems simple, but APA demands maximum attention. Regarding my progress, from the start of this course, I see the progress in organizing formal papers. Nevertheless, I cannot say after 4 months I am an advanced academic writer. But anyway, I feel more comfortable in writing now. Provided feedback given in Google Docs were also beneficial. So there was a chance to see your work again and produce a better paper. I would like to have your attention at some of my works. The first task was informal writing. So Robert gave us a constructive feedback with instructions on how to improve my writing skills. It was clearly seen where my writing skills are at the moment and in what ways I can improve. The next one is an argumentative essay, where we are supposed to take positions on on controversial issues and to present evidence of that positions. The next work is definition essay. I wrote about the research methods. My choice was qualitative methods. The common mistakes were in word choice and sometimes punctuations. In general, not bad. And as it was a first draft paper, after course instructors' corrections and guidance gave me a chance to look at my work again and produce the final paper. Besides, weekly tasks were also helpful, which gave me ideas and chances to practice cohesion and signaling sentences, which will be advantages in the future writing research papers. Concerning feedback, I enjoyed looking at my peers' work. This type of assessment allowed me to develop my creativity and individual style. Peer feedback was a collaborative exercise where we gave and received constructive and, most importantly, respectful feedback during the writing process. Therefore, we gathered insights and made improvements to our tasks. I liked a friendly tone while giving feedback. As I promised at the beginning of this video, I will share tools that help me improve my academic English. The first is Grammarly application. This application helps in the word choice and it gives suggestions to help with grammar, spelling style, and punctuation. It is also helpful to check plagiarism. However, we have to be careful and reread the suggested text and words, as this is the machine and it doesn't know which word better suits my writing content. Power Thesaurus, a practical application. It gives thousands of word choices in the academic style. I tried Macmillan Thesaurus and others, but Power Thesaurus is the best. To bring my speaking to a close, I would say that with practice and the instructions given by Professor Robert and my peers brought me to improvement in some ways of my writing. I strongly believe reviewing all my edits and studying them carefully would bring me to a higher level of academic English. Thank you for your attention.